Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack RAR and zip files using app called RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to find our files that we want to pack. And mine are located in DCIM, camera, and there's few pictures right here. So I'm gonna choose which pictures I want to pack. So for example, all these 3. Now press on this plus button right here and you'll be able to create your RAR file. And here you can customize it as well. You can change its name, so let's call it pictures. You can set the password for the archive, so let's just make it simple with 123. If you're not sure if you typed it correctly, you can press on show password in order to see the password. Now you can also encrypt the files and press OK. Now here you can change extension from RAR or zip or RAR for 4.x. You can enable to delete files after archiving and create solid archives. I'm gonna choose RAR file here, and we can go to advanced option where you can change all of this visible options right here. Now in the options you can also have more stuff to change, and in the comments you can just leave a comment about this RAR file. So let's just create a simple RAR file like that. Press OK, and here is our RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.